Hello and good morning. I'm leaving for South Australia tomorrow. I'm actually going to be going shopping with mum today, and I have a few trips coming up, like I told you guys. One being Falls Creek, so I need a few wintry items to go to the snow, but also we're going to South Australia, as I had previously mentioned. But I'm about to make some French toast, so I thought I would show you guys that as well. So I just had this weird craving after the gym to make French toast, so that's what we're gonna do this morning. A lot of you guys want to see some recipes from me, which I am so more than happy to share with you. The only problem is my oven is broken, so I can't do any sort of like baking videos for a while because I need to get that fixed. But as soon as that is fixed, I really want to do like some cooking series because I love cooking, and you guys, every time I sort of show you guys that I've cooked a meal, you're always wanting to know what it is. You want to just grab a flat sort of bowl, like shallow bowl like this. I'm going to crack 2 eggs in here and whisk it up. This is your egg mixture. I add some vanilla essence, like quite a bit of vanilla essence, quite a bit of cinnamon too, and you just want to whisk that up. Now what you want to do is just dip your bread in the mixture, soaking it on top, and then you will flip it. It's just a fun, different way to eat your eggs for breakfast, I think. And if you're not feeling like, you know, savory eggs on toast, but you still like eggs, it's just a nice, different way to eat your eggs. Just drizzle that on top, it's so yummy. Nala. Okay, so I have just chucked a little bit of makeup on. I'm gonna go shopping now with my mom. I'm not gonna bring you guys along though because the shopping process itself isn't fun. But once I do get a few outfits, I'll do a little bit of a lookbook for you guys. I'll see you guys in a few hours, I guess. I am home now. I will show you guys what I am wearing. However, I just realized, this is so stupid of me, I am going to South Australia tomorrow and I will be wearing the outfits while I'm there, so it's probably better for me to include it with this and just show you guys all my outfits, and then film another video while I'm there and do like a vlog of the whole experience. That way I can kind of separate it into fashion and vlog. Yeah, it's absolutely miserable outside. As you can see, it is wet, it is rainy. The only place I can really film my outfits is out there on that ledge. No one else is here. So I'll get Kadia or Jade to do sort of a little lookbook with me, or help me just film a bunch of my outfits. I just got my itinerary for tomorrow. Oh my god, it's gonna be so incredible. You guys know I'm a wine junkie. My dad has told me all about the Barossa Valley, and my favorite like red wine, in particular Shiraz, is from the Barossa Valley. And that's where we're going. Like, I'm just so excited. So, oh, it's gonna be such an incredible trip. I'm very pumped. Very, very pumped. I'll see you guys when I hit South Australia. Okay guys, we have landed.
We've arrived in.
I actually have 2 videos going on right now, so I don't know which one to address first.
Which one's which?
I'm doing one that's like a lookbook, like outfits.
No, just the, you know, the...
yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm so excited. I'm really jealous of that banana.
Oh, do you want the skin?
Oh, yes, please.